Hi all, welcome to Asterisk Vlogs. In this video, we will learn how to create a bidirectional bar graph, which is not typically available as a default option in MS Excel. While we often use traditional bar and column graph for data comparison, this third type can enhance our presentation. Let's get into our session. I've already taken a set of data which talks about a sales comparison for the month of August and September for few persons. And if you see here, this is the chart which I told earlier. These are all the traditional charts like column chart and bar chart. So what is the third type that we're going to learn today? For that, what I need to do now, let me go and select this entire data and get into insert option. We're going to select the same kind of data. I'm going to select this 2D bar, the same bar graph which I've shown here, and we're going to modify a bit in this one. Let's see how to do that. First, click on this graph and do a right click. Now you will see format data series. Let's click on that and convert it to secondary axis. Now you can see there is some changes in this graph. So what we will do next? So we got secondary axis here and primary axis here. So we will do little modification in our axis. Click on that axis, do right click, go to format axis. Now you got minimum and maximum option here. So what we need to do now, we need to change this minimum. See here it is positive 0.8. So we will change here as minus 0.8. Now we will come here and click this option called value in reverse order. Again, what we will do, we will select this axis and do the same activity, like we will convert this into negative 0.8. After entering the data, now you can see the data labels got changed and we got this bidirectional view. Still there is some changes which we need to do here. It shows maximum axis as 100. We'll change it to 80. Yeah, now we got the bidirectional view of this chart. Now we need to place the name details over here. So what we will do, we will click here and we will, like the same, it's already got into format axis option. Now we will come here, select this label option and make label position as low. Now we got this bidirectional view. We can hide this axis details and we can add data labels. So this is the third type which we created using bar graph. With this, we're winding up our session here. If you like our video, please do subscribe, share, like and comment. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.